We all know about Sri Lanka's lush green hills and the golden beaches. But what if I told you the most hidden secret of enjoyment was right here in Colombo, the most untapped tourist destination to date? But secret no more, as PickMe is partnering with Lotus Tower to bring you Colombo Connect, an experience that will transform Colombo and Sri Lanka fundamentally. I'm Anup Gunawardana, and you're watching Pulse. I'm very fortunate to be joined by Jeffrey Zulfa, CEO of PickMe. What makes you so confident that Colombo is a winner?
I think Colombo has great experiences people haven't discovered. Now, we've seen this by transporting thousands of people every day. And I think every journey starts with an experience, right? So we want to see how we can connect that. People come to the Lotus Tower. We've seen that people take the train. So we want to see how we can connect all that journey through the platform. And that's what PickMe Explore is about.
I'm here with Shiranta Piris, Chairman, Lotus Tower. The Lotus Tower is one of the most iconic, beautiful things in all of Sri Lanka. How important are events like Colombo Connect, partners like PickMe to help expand the reach and foothold of Lotus Tower?
At the moment, what we have is a visitor has to come to Lotus Tower to purchase a ticket or go to our online platform. But by the partnership with PickMe, what we do is we give them this, not only the access to purchasing a ticket on a digital platform, but also giving them a convenient access on how to get here. So most of the people who will come on Digital Connect platform will have many destinations in the Colombo city, where Lotus Tower will be one of those iconic destinations.
I'm very lucky to be joined by Jeremy, Chief Product Officer at PickMe. Jeremy, talk to me about convenience. PickMe is no stranger to providing convenience, but from this perspective, tourists bringing in revenue to Colombo, that's so much more conveniently done through you guys. Tell me how.
We are embarking on our journey of making PickMe the super app, right? So like you said, we have ride hailing, ride booking, food ordering, and we've now embarked on exploring Colombo, right? So we actually started off with events, and this event is also about moving on from events to everything in Colombo, or for that matter, everything in Sri Lanka as well.